The brave little lion. In the heart of the savannah lived a little lion named Leo. He had a fluffy mane and bright, curious eyes, but there was one thing Leo couldn't do: roar. Not even a tiny squeak came out when he tried. All the other lion cubs would practice their roars, shaking the ground with their mighty calls. Leo would hide behind his mother, wishing he could join in, but fear kept his voice locked away. One sunny morning, Leo decided he couldn't wait any longer. "I'm going to find my roar," he declared to himself. He packed a small leaf bag with juicy berries and set off on an adventure. His journey led him deep into the jungle, where the trees were tall and the sounds were new. Suddenly, a wise old owl, Professor Hoot, landed on a branch above him. "Lost, little one?" hooted the owl kindly. Leo explained his problem. Professor Hoot listened patiently. "Your roar isn't lost, Leo," he said. "It's inside you, waiting for courage to set it free. Sometimes a friend can help you find that courage." Just then, a playful monkey named Pip swung down from a vine, chattering excitedly. "Who needs a roar when you can swing and play?" Pip asked, inviting Leo to join him. Leo spent the afternoon playing with Pip, chasing butterflies and tumbling in the leaves. He laughed so much his tummy hurt, and for a while he forgot all about his missing roar. As the sun began to set, they met Tallulah, a gentle giraffe with a long, graceful neck. Tallulah was reaching for the highest leaves. "Sometimes," she whispered, "the bravest thing is to try, even if you're scared." Inspired by his new friends, Leo took a deep breath. He thought of Pip's laughter and Tallulah's quiet wisdom. He closed his eyes, imagined the sun on his face, and pushed with all his might. A sound rumbled deep inside him, growing louder and louder until, with a mighty burst, Leo let out the most magnificent roar the jungle had ever heard. It wasn't just loud, it was brave, confident, and all his own. He had found his roar, not by searching, but by being himself and finding courage with his friends.